country are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What school did you go to?
I come to Chongqing
International.
International.
What class are you in?
I am in Happy
Casa.
Free A.
What class are you in? I am in Casa.
Free A.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I
Okay, let's start. Welcome to our English test. First, let's talk about family. Okay, who's this?
am. Grandma.
Very good. How about this one?
Grandma.
Very good. Next, how about this one? Who's this?
Daddy.
Great job. Next.
Mommy.
Okay, do you love your mommy?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? Who's this?
Titi.
Sister.
Titi.
Next.
Brother.
Very good. Next, who's this?
Baby.
Okay, great job. Next, let's talk about the numbers. Okay, what number is this?
Number
How
5.
about this one?
Number 6.
How about this one?
Number 7.
Wow, great job. High five to teacher. Very good. Next, let's talk about my fruits. Okay, what fruit is this?
Apple.
Okay, do you like an apple?
Yes, I do.
What's the color of the apple?
Red.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What fruit is this?
Orange.
Okay, now, do you like an orange?
Yes, I
Okay, what's the color of the orange? It's oh. What's the color of the orange? Is it orange?
do.
Okay, it's orange.
Orange.
Okay, next, how about this one? What fruit is this?
Banana.
Okay, what is the color of the banana? Yeah. Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay, how about this one? What fruit is this?
Blue.
Pear.
Bear.
Okay, what's the color of the pear? It's
Green.
okay, very good. Great job. Next, let's talk about my pets. Okay, what animal is this?
Cat.
Great job. Next,
Dog.
great job. How about this one? It's a
Bird.
okay, very good. Next, how about this one?
Fish.
Okay, next.
Mouse.
Okay, now look at here. Is it a fish?
No.
Okay, what is this?
Dog.
Okay, how about this one? Is this a mouse?
Cat.
Is this a mouse?
No.
Okay, what is this?
Cat.
Okay, very good. Next, let's talk about my toys. Okay, what is this?
Cat.
Very good. Next,
Dog.
doll.
Dog.
How about this one?
Ball.
Okay, great job. Next, how about this one? What is this?
Cat.
Car.
Call.
Okay, how about this one? What is this? Train.
Great.
How about this one? What is this?
Robot.
Okay, very good. Great job. High five to teacher. That's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye bye.